China's actions have demonstrated that a stronger Africa is seen as an opportunity to invest in rather than as a problem or a threat. And China has continued to lead the way in showing what is lost in not engaging and partnering with Africa.
It is a vision of a continent where commerce, trade, investment, skills and knowledge move freely across the borders that were imposed on us by our colonial rulers. We are working to build an Africa that is defined by good governance, democracy, respect for human rights, justice, and the rule of law.